There's been a terrible earthquake and Thomas is stuck.
Oh my god, what's all this rocks doing here? Rubble to the rescue! What's happening here, Thomas?
I was tooting along the tracks when there's been a terrible earthquake and these rubbles just fell on my track. I am so glad you came to help me.
Go!
You've also brought your Paw Patrol friends to help. Thank you so much, guys. It's starting to look better already. A few more rubble to go and I'm free.
Hi kids, I'm Rubble on the double. Rubble to the rescue! And the driller could drill to the ground.
What a great idea to get these rubbles quickly out of the way! Guys, very much. I'm free to go. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Great job, Paw Patrol team. Here's your doggy treat.
Hi kids. Lots of toys here. I'm so glad you're with me. Today we're going to be open Rubble's rig. It is a bulldozer and he's Rubble on the double. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Has a movable drill and tracks. Hi kids, I'm Rubble on the double. It's for ages 3 and up. You could put Rubble inside. Rubble to the rescue. We could do this, moving scoops, and the driller could drill to the ground.
Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Also, check out more videos by clicking on our channel on the link provided above. Bye, everybody!